Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful lesson from the Ultimate Human podcast with Gary Brecka and his guest, Dr. Jigar Gandhi, a biological dentist, and the link between dental bacteria, meridian pathways, and your overall health. What we learned here goes far beyond cavities and cleanings. It's about how your teeth can affect your entire body. Instead of listening to the full 70 minutes, I'll give you the most important insights. In just 4, let's get into it. Let's start with this. Every tooth is more than just a tooth. Each one is like a tiny organ, with its own environment and connection to your body's systems. When a tooth dies, like after a root canal, it can become a hiding place for bacteria and toxins. Those toxins don't just stay in your mouth, they can spread throughout your body. One of the biggest red flags? Hidden dental infections. These so-called cavitations in the jawbone don't always cause pain, but they can silently fuel chronic illness. Brain fog, autoimmune disorders, heart problems, even psychiatric symptoms have all been linked back to unresolved dental issues. Root canals are especially controversial. While they remove the nerve, they leave behind millions of tiny tubules filled with dead tissue, perfect breeding grounds for bacteria. Studies have even found the same bacteria from root canals inside heart tissue, linking oral infections directly to cardiovascular disease. So what's the solution? This is where biologic dentistry comes in. Instead of focusing only on drilling and filling, biologic dentists use advanced tools like red light lasers, ozone therapy, and platelet-rich fibrine from the patient's own blood. These approaches sterilize, heal, and regenerate tissues while minimizing toxicity. Ceramic materials are preferred over metal to reduce inflammation and long-term risks. And speaking of metals, old silver fillings often contain mercury, which can release toxic particles if not removed safely. Even gold crowns can create tiny electrical currents in the mouth, disrupting the body's balance. That's why safe removal protocols and ceramic alternatives matter. The results can be life-changing. Patients dealing with migraines, joint pain, fatigue, or even gut issues have seen dramatic improvements once hidden dental problems were properly treated. So what's the big takeaway? Your mouth isn't separate from your body. It's connected to everything. Dental health impacts cardiovascular health, brain health, immunity, and even mental well-being. If you're struggling with unexplained symptoms, it may be worth looking at your teeth as part of the bigger picture. That's the summary of today's podcast breakdown. For the full deep dive, check out the original episode linked below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Oh, and by the way, this is Eric. The water fasting video is Brian. Let us know in the comments which of us you prefer or if we're both terrible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, unless you prefer Brian.